Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get an overdraft on Monzo Bank using the Monzo app. First, open the Monzo app on your smartphone and tap the home icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top left or simply swipe down on your Monzo card to open your profile. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Personal Account. Tap on Learn About Overdrafts to see more details about Monzo's overdraft options. If you're eligible, you'll see the option to set up an overdraft. Tap that and follow the on-screen steps to apply. Monzo will check your credit data with a hard credit search. If you're approved, you can set up your overdraft limit right inside the app. Remember, unarranged overdrafts can happen from offline payments and may affect your credit score. So it's best to manage your account regularly. And that's it. That's how to get an overdraft on Monzo Bank. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.